Good day guys, now I'm going to show you the spike killer indicator. This is crash 5 index. Now let me open a signal trade as we executed the trade for the spike sale, and let me post this signal in our telegram group so you guys see the power of this spike trading system. Look here, before the spike signal the arrow will appear. You just need to open a trade. A stop loss will be 8 candles and wait with patience. A spike will must appear there and you will must make profit. Stop loss will be 8 candles. Let me post in my telegram Orion Ventures. Okay, now I'm going to post sale crash 500 using a big lot. Okay guys, look here, a big lot signal. Use 5 standard lots. Look here, this is the power. I just public the signal. This is the power of this system. So now front of you here is a spike trading indicator is working right on my account. The spike trade executed, waiting for a spike. Let's see once the spike will appear. And here is, I hope, look here, as per my analysis, I wish the spike will appear very soon. Okay, now let's see guys. I have set up the stop loss and here is the spike. This is an awesome spike guys. We posted the signal in our group and look here the spike. It's the spike guys, a very cool spike guys. I'm going to post this result in our group so people save their money. Look here, we posted this signal in our public group so people made awesome profit using this signal. So this is the power. Thanks for watching. Have a good day guys.